Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on Coinbase. And first of all, you need to create your account, do all the verification steps, and then after that you are ready to go. Then from now we are here on the screen, and if you just start trading right here, you don't have any idea how to spot trade or how to come on the chart. It's quite simple because if you click here on advanced and you turn this one on, you will see here the complete chart. We can change right here the symbol, so search for what you want to trade. So Bitcoin to USD is for me fine right now. And then from here we can start trading. Here's the order book where you can exactly see what some people are buying or selling. But if you want to buy something, it's quite simple because we click here on buy if you want to buy. We click here on sell if you want to sell. And then right here, you have here a tree type that we can create, a limit order, market order, stop limit. So let's say we want to do a normal order. So we click here on limit. Then we can select here the limit price. So create a price that you want to step in with. So right now it's on 66,700. So this is fine. And here we can select the amount. So I don't have any money on my real account right here. But make sure if you want to create a position that you fill in here the USD, the amount for your trade. Then after that, you can also change it right here to Bitcoin so that you can take your position with Bitcoin. But I prefer to do USD. That's most accurate. And then right here, we can select a take profit or stop loss if you want to. So you can say that if he will increase, let's say 4%, then he will take the profit and he will close the trade. Then right here, if he will go down, let's say 5%, then he will stop our losses and will stop our trade. So right now, if you click here on buy, now it's saying add funds to continue because we don't have money. But if you click right here now, you can take your position on the chart, and that is the way how you can trade right here on Coinbase. If you want to close your position, go to the trade right here. And then what you can do is click right here on the cross and then you can close your trade. This is the way how you can trade on Coinbase. If you have any questions, please comment them below. This was as quick as possible, in a nutshell, the steps that you need to know. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.